The question says, in the network of figure, the switch is moved from A to B at t is equal to 0. Determine I of t and Vc of t. I of t is flowing in this and Vc is voltage across 2 farad capacitor. Initially, the switch is at point A and at t is equal to 0, the switch moves from A to B. So at t is equal to 0 minus, the switch will be at point A and the circuit will be like this. 10 farad capacitor will be open circuited, so we can find the voltage across 10 farad capacitor. Since this is open, there will be no current. I of t, that is I of 0 minus, will be 0. Voltage across 2 farad will be 0, that is this will act as short circuit, and voltage across 10 farad will be 20 volts. Now at t is equal to 0 plus, the switch will move from A to B. So this will be the circuit. Switch has moved from A to B, and instead of capacitor we are drawing 20 volt voltage source. This is shorted, the 1 ohm resistance as it is. Now we can find I at 0 plus, which will be 20 upon 1, so it will give me 20 amperes. Voltage across 10 farad will be same, 20 volts, and voltage across 2 farad, that is V of 2 farads, will be 0 again. Now we draw the circuit for t greater than 0 in S domain. Now the circuit for t greater than 0 in S domain is this. We have the voltage source as 20 by S, capacitor 1 by 10S, 1 by 2S, and 1 ohm. Current is I of S, voltage is Vc of S. Now applying KVL to the mesh, it will give me 20 by S minus 1 by 10S I of S minus 1 into I of S minus 1 by 2S into I of S is equal to 0. After simplification, get it as I of S 1 by 10S plus 1 by 2S is equal to 20 by S. So I of S will be 20 upon S plus 0.6. So taking the inverse Laplace transform, we'll get I of t as 20 e raised to minus 0.6 t for t greater than 0. Now we have got I of t. Questions tells us to find Vc of t. So from this, first I'll find Vc of S, that is voltage across 2 farad, which will be 1 by 2S into I of S, that is the capacitor into the current flowing through the capacitor. 1 by 2S into I of S is 20 upon S plus 0.6. So substituting the same, separating will give me A by S plus B by S plus 12 by 20. So I can find A as 10 upon S plus 12 by 20 at S is equal to 0. So I'll get A as 50 by 3. After solving this, putting S is equal to 0 will give me A as 50 by 3. Similarly, I can find B, S plus 12 by 20 into Vc of S at S is equal to minus 12 by 20. So this will give me B as minus 50 by 3. So after substituting A and B in this equation, you will get Vc of S as 50 by 3 into 1 by S minus 50 by 3 into 1 upon S plus 12 by 20. Taking inverse Laplace transform, it will give me Vc of t 50 by 3 minus, because this is unit step, so either you can write u of t or nothing. If you are writing, then also it's fine. 50 by 3 e raised to minus 12 by 20 t, and finally after simplifying you will get Vc of t as 16.667 into 1 minus e raised to minus 0.6 t for t greater than 0.